Lasagna.
Jasmine.
We are going to prepare lasagna.
Agreed. What are we going to prepare?
I want to prepare lasagna.
Now you are eating the cheese. So you are showing the viewers that you are going to prepare lasagna for real, eh?
Yeah.
So today we are going to prepare our lasagna.
Yeah, lasagna.
One of our fans requests for this like 2 weeks ago. We are sorry for that because we was having another request for another food. That's why we late to do this. But now we are making it. So
yeah.
Let's get started.
Let's get started now. So guys, this is the ingredients we need for the lasagna sauce. This one is the fresh tomato. We have carrots. We have bell pepper, we call it sweet pepper, yellow, red, green. Then we have tomato paste. The lasagna itself, look at it. We have different brands, so I'm using this today. So this is the grind meat, the minced meat. Half kilo, you can use half kilo sauce for it for the 500 gram lasagna. So this is mozzarella cheese. I already grated some. Look at it. I already grated it. So now I'm going to slice it by cube, small by cube. So now let's get started. So now we are going to slice the vegetables. Jasmine, you are eating cheese. You don't want to cut the vegetable. Let me show you how to do it, okay? You see? Mama, no, don't use this knife. Use this one, okay? This one is too sharp for you and big.
And this one is small.
Yes.
Small for children.
And it's not hurting.
Yeah, and this one is big for going out. Mommy, why there's water? Water is building on my.
Don't worry, it's not hurting. It's the sweet bell pepper. The bell pepper is not hurting. Okay?
Why did bell pepper have some water on it? It's splashing me all over my head.
Sorry.
Mommy, can you show
So now I will show you how to do it. Slice like this.
Like this?
Mama. You just here to eat the the lasagna. You don't want to help us. Mama, hold it like this. And cut. Hold it. Cut.
Just like this?
I show this to him back.
Do it like this. See? Like this. Do it like this. See?
Wow! It looks like sliced bell pepper.
Okay.
Can you show me?
Can I show you? No, use this one, Mama. If you want to help Mommy,
Hold it. Hold it like
cut
this.
it like this.
For me?
Cut it.
Cut it.
I'm cutting it by myself.
Hold it like this.
Yes.
Cut it like this.
Wow! Mommy, look. It looks like
careful.
a slice. Hey. Slice.
But be careful, okay?
Okay.
So I'm not sure if people can see.
I did it!
Wow, clap for yourself. You did it.
Yeah. So I'm using
So
the
now I've
knife.
sliced it like this first.
Yeah, I'm not done
See?
yet.
You're now coming
I did
to
it.
slice it now the
Meow,
cube.
meow.
That's it.
Karina, are you not done yet? No.
Mama, you have to do it very small, okay?
I'm doing very small.
Very small.
I did it.
Let me show the viewers, how they should do it. Look at it. Small like this. Even it should be more smaller than this.
It looks like a
I hope
corn.
you guys can see.
Mommy, it looks like a corn.
It's the bell pepper, the yellow one.
The other one looks like a corn.
They have different way the way they do lasagna. Sometimes you
Yeah.
make sauce without vegetable. Sometimes For me, the way I do my own, I put
Like a
vegetable
papa.
inside.
Like a papa, Tanwina. No, it looks like a
Vegetable
corn.
is
have eaten it before.
See how it looks like, so gorgeous.
It looks like this.
See how it tastes. This is a
The food
lasagna.
just like a rectangle. You should make this rectangle food.
Hello guys, so this is the food we have done. So if you want to see more food, what you have to do?
You have to subscribe
To our channel.
and go to the description box.
Uh-huh.
There's ingredients there.
Yes.
And the button.
The button.
You have to subscribe to our channel, share and share.
And click the bell button.
And click the bell button to be notified whenever
So-
we post videos.
Guys.
Bye.
Tata.
Bye. Ta-ta.
Bye bye.
We'll subscribe for you.
Love you guys.
We love you. We'll subscribe for you.